Always wear proper personal protective equipment when handling and installing grips. For metal pull grips, the required tools include electrical or duct tape, a banding tool, banding strips, a hammer, and wire cutters. For support grips, no additional tools are necessary. Before beginning installation, verify the grip specifications. Check information on the grip, including the Slingco part number, the cable size, and the approximate brake load. This value applies to new, unused grips. From the approximate brake load, calculate the working load limit. Unless otherwise specified, apply the industry standard factor of safety. For overhead pulls, divide the approximate brake load by 5. For underground pulls, divide the approximate brake load by 3. For support grips, divide the approximate brake load by 10. Inspect the grip for damage. Ensure all grip wires are free from kinks, bends, rusts, or frays. Check that the grip eye and the rod or lace is undamaged. If using a swivel for a pull where torsion could cause damage to the cable or equipment, it should also be carefully examined for signs of damage. Before installation, wind the grip loops by hand. For a lace-up grip, always match the number lace wire with the single, double, or triple weave style of the grip. Begin at the eye end or anchoring end of the cable grip. Thread the lacing wire through the first 2 loops of the split and pull until both sides of the wire are equal in length. Continue lacing by threading the right side of the wire into the next loop on the left and the left side of the wire into the next loop on the right. Crossing the wires down the length of the grip in a pattern like lacing a shoe. While lacing, adjust the wires to form a consistent and smooth cross pattern, as this improves the grip's strength and holding integrity. Maintain a space between each cross of the lacing wire approximately equal to the width of 1 diamond in the mesh. Both oversized and undersized lace spaces can compromise the grip's ability to hold securely. If the grip loops tighten to the point where the lacing wire cannot be inserted, gently stretch the loops to allow threading. When lacing a grip on a cable near the upper limit of the size range, the loops may become so tight as to require tool assistance. Ensure any tools used do not damage the wires. At the end of the grip, tie the 2 ends of the lacing wire into a secure square knot. For metal pull grips, install 2 bands securely across the knot at 1 1/4 inches and 2 1/4 inches from the end. This banding allows the grip to tighten inward around the cable during the initial pull. Cut off any excess wire. Tape over the bands and the cable ends to complete installation. For metal support grips, twist the ends of the wire. Cut off any excess wire to complete the installation. For a rod closing grip, the offsets in the wire are designed to line up parallel to one another with the left wire positioned above the right wire. Start at the eye end or anchoring end of the cable grip. Insert the bent end of the rod through the outside of the first loop on the left side, then straight through the first loop on the right side. Rotate the rod in a downward, clockwise spiral to assist in picking up the left wire loop, then the right wire loop. Continue spiraling down the grip, threading the rod through each pair of loops until all wires are secured.